Friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss squaring up a numbers, squares from 1 to 100 and few shortcut methods in order to find out the squares. The method 1, if last digit is 5, there are numbers which last digit is 5 like 25, 35, 55, all these digits. Here last digit is 5. So if we want to find the square of these numbers, there is a shortcut methods. Now we will know that method. So if you want to find out the 15 square, so we have to do the unit. Here unit digit is 5. So 5 square it is 25. So here we have 1 in tens place. So we have to increase this 1 by 1 number. So if we increase, we will get 2 here. Multiply this 2 with this number. 2 1 ja 2. So the 225 is the answer. Again for 25 square, do the unit digit square. 5 square it is 25. Here we have 2 here, increase 2 by 1 digit, so we will get 3. Multiply this 3 with this 2, 3 2 ja 6, 625 is the answer. Similarly 35 square, 5 square it is 25. If the increase 3 by 1 digit, then we will get 4. So multiply this 3 and 4, 3 2 ja 3 4 ja, it is 12. 1225 is the answer. Similarly, do these problems and post your answers in my comment section. Method 2, if you want to find out the squares of a numbers from 51 to 59, you can use this type of method. So if you want to find out the 51 square, so here unit digit is 1. So do the 1 square. 1 square it is 1. But we have to write the 2 digits. That's why I am writing 0 1. So here 0 1. So here do the 5 square. 5 square plus here what we have in unit place 1. So add this unit place digit. So 5 square it is 25 plus 1 it is 26. So our answer is 2601 is the answer. Similarly 52 square. Do the 2 square, unit digit square first. 2 square it is 4. So we have to write 2 digits, that's why I am writing 0 4. So here tens place we have 5. Do the 5 square and add this unit digit plus 2. 5 square it is 27, 25 plus 2 it is 27. So 2704 is the answer. Similarly 3 square it is 09 and 5 square 25 plus this unit digit 25 plus 3 28. 09 is the answer. Similarly you can do up to 59. Do the remainings and post your answers in my comment section. Third method, by using this formula we can calculate the squares very easily. The formula is a square minus b square equals to a minus b into a plus b. So if I want to do the 41 square, this 41 is far away from 100 and it is near to 40. So if we increase 40 by 1 digit, means 40 plus 1, we will get 41. That's why I am writing 41 and this 1 digit, whole square minus 1 square plus 1 square. So 41 minus 1, a square minus b square, this is the formula, a minus b into a plus b. A minus b means a means 41 minus 1 into 41 plus 1 plus 1 square. 1 square it is 1 only. 41 minus 1 it is 40 and 41 plus 1 it is 42 plus 1. So multiply this one. 4 2 ja 8, 4 4 ja 16 and here we have 0 plus 0 plus 1. So finally we will get 1681 is our answer. If I want to do the 63 square, 63 is also far away from 100. That's why I am taking 60 as a base. So here if we take 60 as a base, if we add 3 to this 60, we will get 63. So that's why using this 3, I am writing 63 whole square minus 3 square plus 3 square. Here a square minus b square. What is the formula? A minus b. 63 minus 3 and a plus b. 63 plus 3. Plus 3 square it is 9. 63 minus 3 it is 60. 63 plus 3 it is 66 plus 9. So multiply with 6. 6 6 ja 36. Here we have 3. 6 6 ja 36 plus 3 39. So here we have 0. That's why I am writing 0 here. Plus 9. So here we get 39 69. The next 89 square. If you take the 89 square, it is near to 100. So if we subtract 11 from 100, we will get 89 square, and we know the 11 square. That's why I am using this method. So here we can write it as a 89 square minus 11 square plus 11 square. So here 89 square minus 11 square, a minus a square minus b square. What is the formula? A minus b. That means 89 minus 11 into 89 plus 11. Plus 11 square it is 121. 89 minus 11 it is 78, and this is 100 plus 121. So finally we get 7800 plus 121. So by adding these numbers we will get 7921 is our answer. So if we take 104 whole square, it is near to 100. So by subtracting, if we take 104 whole square, it is near to 100. By adding 4 to the 100, we will get the answer 104. So that's why I am using 4 here. 104 whole square minus 4 square plus 4 square. So here 4 square gets cancelled. Again we will get 104 whole square. So this is a square minus b square formula. A minus b means 104 minus 4 into 104 plus 4. 4 square it is 16. That is 100 minus 104 plus 4 108 plus 16. Here we get 10800 plus 16. By adding these numbers we will get 108 16 is the answer. The fourth method is very wonderful method, duplex method. I think it is very easy and very useful, and before understanding this method you have to understand this concept, so please watch very carefully. So here, in order to find out the single digit duplex, so if you want to find out duplex of 2, so here d2 equals nothing but we have to just square that number. Equals to 2 square is equal to 4. If we want to find out the duplex of 9, so what you have to do? You have to just square that number. 9 square it is 81. So if you want to do the duplex of any single digit number, what you understood? You have to just simply square it. 7 square 49. This is the duplex method per single digit. So if you want to find out the duplex of 2 digit numbers, if you want to find out the duplex of 12, d12 equals to what you have to do? You have to multiply these digits between them and again multiply them with 2. So here 1 into 2, 2, 2 to the 4, 4 is the answer. So again, if you want to do the duplex of 34, d34 equals to what you have to do? You have to multiply these digits between them, again multiply them with 2. So I am multiplying these digits and again multiplying them with 2. So 3 into 4 is 12, 12 2 is 24 is the answer. So finally what you understood? If you want to find out the duplex of any 2 digit numbers, you have to multiply these numbers between them, again multiply them with 2. So 2 2 is 4. This is the answer you will get. The third one, duplex of 3 digit number 1 2 3. If you want to find out the duplex of 1 2 3, what you have to do? You have to do the 2 digits procedure for this 1 and 3. So here you have to multiply this 1 and 3 and again you have to multiply them with 2, and you have to square the number of middle and you have to add all these digits. So 2 into 1 into 3 plus 2 square, that is nothing but 6 plus 4, 10 you will get. So for example the second one, If you want to do the duplex of 234, so D234 equals to, what you have to do, you have to multiply these two digits, 2 into 4, again multiply them with 2. Then you have to add the middle digit square plus 3 square. You will get the answer. 2 2 is 4, 4 4 is 16, plus 3 square means 9, so you will get the 25. So similarly, if you want to do the duplex of any number 2 1 2, what you have to do, you have to multiply the first and last digit, 2 into 2, again you have to square the middle digit and you have to add that one. 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8 plus 1, so you will get the answer like this. I think you understood the 3 digit duplex method. Next, now if you want to find out the 4 digits duplex numbers D1234, what you have to do, you have to multiply these digits and these digits. So here 2 into, multiply these digits, 1 into 4, and multiply these digits 2 into 3 and multiply them with 2. So 1 4 is 4, 2 3 is 6, 4 plus 6 10, 10 2 is 20 is the answer. Similarly, if we want to do the duplex of any number, what is the procedure? You have to multiply these numbers and you have to multiply these numbers and you have to add them and again you have to multiply them with 2. So you have to multiply these numbers 4 into 3 and you have to multiply these numbers 1 into 2. Again you have to multiply them with 2. So 2 into 12 plus 2. So it is 2 into 14, 2 14, it is 28. So like that, I think you understood the concept of 4 digits duplex. To find out the duplex of 5 digit numbers, we have 1 2 3 4 5, 1 as a pair, 1 pair is 5, 2 pair is 4 and 3 is the odd one. So what you have to do, you have to multiply them with their pairs and again multiply them with 2 and you have to square this odd one. So 2 into 1 pair is 5, 1 into 5 plus 2 pair is 4, 2 into 4 into 2 plus 3 square, 1 5 is 5 plus 2 4 is 8, 13, 2 is 26 plus 9, it is 35 we will get. Finally, I think you understood the concept. Whenever one digit has a pair, you have to multiply them with their pairs and you have to do the odd one square. So here also, if you want to find out the duplex of 1 2 3 4 5 6, here 1 as a pair, this 2 as a pair 5 and this 3 4 as a pair. So here what you have to do, you have to multiply them with their pairs. So 1 into 6, multiply them with pairs, 2 into 5, multiply them with pair, 3 into 4 and multiply them with 2. So 2 into 1 6 is 6, 2 5 is 10 plus 12, it is 28. 2 into 28 is equals to 56. I think here 61 square, what you have to do, you have to divide like this, 6 61 1. So here you have to do the duplex of these digits. 6 duplex is nothing but we have to do the 6 square. If you have the 2 digits, what you have to do, you have to multiply them and again multiply them with 2. And if you have the 1 digit, what you have to do, you have to do the square. So it is nothing but 36, 2 6 is 12 plus into 1. So here we get the answer 1. So here we have 2. So here we have 12. So add this 1 to here. So 37 to 1 is the answer. Like that you can find the squares very 7 square. First of all, we have to divide the number like this, 2 20 207 077. So here if single digit, what you have to do, you have to do the square. If you have the 2 digits, what you have to do, you have to multiply them, again multiply with them with 2. So we have the 3 digits, what you have to do, you have to multiply the 2 digits, 2 into 7 and square the middle one. Again we have the 2 digits, so what do you have to do, you have to multiply them, again multiply with 2. So last we have the single digits, so this is not a square. It is nothing but 2 square means 4. Here we have 0, that's why multiplication equals to 0. Here 28. So here 0 we have, so that's why it is 0. 7 square it is 49. So here we have 4. Add this 4 here. 0 plus 4 is nothing but 4. Here we have 8. Add this 2 here. 0 plus 2, 2. So here we get 42849 is the answer. For the square of 786, then we have to divide the 786 like this. First we will write 7, then 78, then we will write 786. This 7 will be cancelled, then we will write only 86. This 8 will be cancelled, then we will write only 6. So then we have to find out the duplex of these numbers. If you want to duplex of 7, this is nothing but 7 square. If you want to find out the duplex of 2 digits, you have to multiply them, again multiply them with 2. You have to find out the duplex of 3 digits. 2 into this 7 as a pair, so 7 into 6 plus this middle digit we have to do the square. So if you want to find out the duplex of 86, 2 into 8 into 6. Duplex of 6, we have to write the 6 square only. So 7 square it is 49, it is 56, 1, 1, 12. So here we will get, this is 42, this is 84 plus 64. This is nothing but 120, 148. So here 86, here we will 86, 8 into 6 ja 48, 2 ja 96, here we will get 36. So here by adding number 6, here 3 will come here, 96 plus 3 99, so 9 will become here, 148 plus 9 it is 157, 15 will become here, so again it is 127. So 7 here come here and 12 will come here, 49 plus 12 it is nothing but 61. This is the answer. Digit square. So here we have 4 digits. First of all divide the number like 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 4. So if you have the single digits, you have to do the square, 1 square. You have the 2 digits, multiply them, again multiply with them with 2. If you have the 3 digits, this 1 as a pair, that's why 2 into 1 into 3. So middle one we have to do the square, 2 square. So here we have the 4 digits, this 1 as a pair, this 2 as a pair. So 2 into 1 into 4 plus 2 into 3 plus these 3 digits, this 2 as a pair, so that's why 2 into 4 plus 3 square. So these 2 digits only, so multiply them, again multiply them with 2. Yes, we have the 4 only single digits, that's why we will do the 4 square. So here 1 square means 1, this is 4 you will get, this is 6 plus 4 10, this is 4 plus 6 10, it is 20 you will get, 9 square 9 plus 2 to the 4, 4 for the 16, 16 plus 9 it is 25, it is 12, 2 the 24 you will get, here 16. So 6, 1 comes here, 24 plus 1 25, 2 comes here, 25 plus 2 27, 2 comes here, 20 plus 2 22, so 2 comes here, 10 plus 2 12, 1 comes here, so here we will look at 5, so 1 double 5 1 5, so finally we will get, 1 5 double 2 7 5 6 is the answer. So similarly do these problems and post your answers in my comment sections.